Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Terralab AI Edit plugin in QGIS. With this plugin, you could create AI generated maps inside QGIS in just a few minutes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So again, I'm going to focus on the AI Edit tool. And this tool is a QGIS plugin created by Terralab, and credit goes out to them because this is just an amazing tool. As you can see on their website, this AI Edit, you're able to generate 5 free generations. Then it's in euros, $19 a month, or in US dollars, it's about $22 a month. I'll do another video on this AI segmentation, which is also an amazing tool where you can select out buildings and roads and vegetation and create data that way just by simply clicking onto that. But here, I want to create a park map because there's sometimes in what I do for business, I need to create a map such as these, like a park map. And these are just examples I pulled from the web to give you an example of what we're going to do on this tutorial. Okay, so let me go to my QGIS project and we'll install the plugin. So if I go up to the top menu, go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins. So AI space Edit, and you'll come up with it. AI Edit by Terralab. Go and click on Install. It should just take a minute, and when it's done, you'll see this message here that's been installed successfully. And we close out of this window. You'll see there's those two familiar icons here. I'll go back to the web page, AI Edit and the AI segmentation. Also up here at the menu bar, we have the same tools right here as well as some settings and so forth. So I did here in my project, I just used XYZ tiles under my browser. I expanded that out and I just dragged and dropped the Google satellite base map. I zoomed into a basically random mobile home park. And now we need to activate the plugin through Terralab. So if we go up to the Terralab tab up here in the menu and go click on More from Terralab. Here, let's go ahead and click on Get Started and go ahead and fill out your email. An activation code will be sent to your email address that you used. So go ahead and enter those numbers and click Verify. And for some reason, by default, it went down here to AI segmentation, but go back up to AI Edit. And you see I get 100 free credits, no credit card required, which is just amazing just to be able to test out this plugin before you subscribe if that's what you want to do. So go ahead and click on Activate Plugin. And right up here, you'll have your activation key. And there's also a couple little notes here on how to do this. So it says to copy your activation key, open up the AI Edit in QGIS and paste it in the plugin settings. So go ahead and copy the activation key. Go back to your QGIS project. Go up to the Terralab, click on AI Edit, and go and paste your activation key. Click on Activate, and then click on Launch AI Edit. Okay, so we're good to go. And as you see down below here, I have 100 of 100 credits. And then after that, you would need to subscribe. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and drag, basically using my left button on my mouse, drag and make a nice little box here. So a couple things here. If you click on templates, these are a couple different options you could use. So these are the top picks. You could enhance the image. Looks like you got some solar panels. It could just do land use map, detect buildings, sea level rise, Going down, you can remove things such as shadows and trees and clouds. You could add trees along roads, add solar panels, but there's so many amazing things you could do here. You could also change your resolution to 1000, 2000, or 4000. Of course, that's going to increase the amounts of credits being used. You could add a reference image. So say that I have one of these park maps, such as this one here. What I'm going to do is drag and drop that. I have two screens here. I'll type in, please create a new park map using attached for style reference. Okay, and then I'll click generate. Okay, so that's done, and that took probably less than a minute. So it looks pretty darn good. You know, again, the resolution isn't the best because I didn't want to use all my credits all at once. And just to toggle this on and off, you see how it did a great job picking up all these mobile homes. I'll also bring down the transparency so you can kind of see that as well. You did a really great job picking up all those structures, kind of mimicking the vegetation and adding the road. So not bad at all. And it also just took that same style, those same colors, and added that to my new image. And as you see down here, it took 20 credits. So let's do one more. Let's go ahead and use one of the templates they actually have. So I'm going to select, again, the area that I want. And I'm going to click on template. And I'm going to go down to under style. I'm going to try the stylize isometric map. And click generate. Okay, so that took probably maybe 30 seconds on my end. Another 20 credits were used. I'll turn this back on. Turn this guy off. And as you see, it's a pretty good looking map. If I just kind of toggle on and off, you know, it took all the vegetation here. And what it did, it actually added a lot of different text. Scale bar and north arrow. Added just some basic information here. Now, to change this, you know, I won't go through it in this video, but you would just maybe take this into Adobe Illustrator. If you don't have that subscription, you could certainly use Inkscape, which is an open source version of Adobe Illustrator, where you could bring this in, maybe just go ahead and clean this up, take the text off, or just rename it. But again, this is just a fantastic way to create a map such as this using QGIS with Google Satellite, and it's just a great starting point to create this or be good with it. And we'll do one final AI image. Let me just turn this off, and I'll click exit, launch AIEdit one more time. Do one last one, go to templates, and we'll just try this architectural site plan. Click on generate. And there you go, a very simplistic map. I'll toggle this on and off. Just grabs the structures, grabs the roads, a little bit of vegetation. Use this as a base map for QGIS or a starting point for either in Illustrator or Inkscape to add more data to. So again, here are the 3 different variations, all unique in their own way, could all serve a different purpose, and all thanks to this amazing AI edit tool by Terralab. And if you guys found this useful, don't forget to hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up, as that definitely helps the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.